WA series machine is designed from the ground up for super heavy cutting and has an ultra rigid cast frame to take those heavy cutting loads on solid material up to 620 millimeters wide. Its massive main column is oversized to provide enhanced structural strength and clamping ability. With an easy-to-use touchscreen control system and PLC, this machine is fully automated and has symbol controls as standard to meet international standard specifications. The unique feed system is specially designed for very large material. This incorporates a hydraulic front vise with double side movement to avoid feeding issues by moving the vise out of the way during feeding. Additionally, the hydraulic rear vise has a swivel control to handle those difficult work pieces that are not straight and ensure continued smooth automatic production during the backward vise stroke. The guide system on a machine this size is key to efficient cutting, and the WA-7062HA has some very special guide features. Firstly, the blade guide arm is super rigid and is mounted on linear guideways for smooth movement. The guide arm is driven by the movement of the front vise, so the position can be adjusted even when the blade is running to maintain optimum blade rigidity at all times. Additionally, the tungsten carbide blade guide system is hydraulic and ensures perfect, smooth blade movement at all times without operator intervention. The use of high-quality tungsten carbide in the guides allows longer guide and blade life whilst increasing cutting efficiency. WA-7062HA, they have really excelled.